Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in 3 minutes or less. Today's problem is from 2008, question 5. Each principal of Lincoln High School serves exactly one 3-year term. What is the maximum number of principals in the school that the school could have during an 8-year period? So if you start off just by drawing in your 8 places for 8 years,